Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you some very important Gmail security settings that can protect your account from hackers. A lot of people think who would hack my Gmail, but the reality is hackers target normal users every single day, and if your Gmail gets hacked, you can lose photos, contacts, YouTube channel, banking access, social media accounts. So in this video I'll show you 5 simple things you should do right now to secure your Gmail account. Let's start. First thing, your password. If your password is weak, hackers can guess it very quickly. So avoid password like 123456, your name, your phone number, birthday. Instead, create a strong password using capital letters, small letters, numbers, symbols. For example, instead of Arslan123, use something like ARS explanation mark 92 hashtag @ 2026. Now let me show you how to change your Gmail password. Open the Gmail app. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap manage your Google account. Now go to Google password. Verify your identity. On the next page, enter a new strong password. Now tap change password. Now let's check something that most people usually ignore, your account activity and connected apps. A lot of times we sign into random website or apps using our Google account without really thinking about it. Later on we forget which apps we gave access to, and some of them can actually become risky over time. So it's a good idea to check your security activity once in a while. Open the Gmail app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap manage your Google account. Now go to security and sign in tab. Under the recent security activity, you can check recent login attempts, new device connected to your account, security alerts, any suspicious activity. If you notice something that doesn't look familiar, remove it immediately and change your password. Now let's check third-party apps connected to your Google account. Stay in the security tab, scroll down a little, tap your connection to third-party apps and services. Here you'll see all the apps and websites that have access to your Google account. Take a minute and carefully go through the list. If you find an app you don't recognize, something you no longer use, or anything that looks suspicious, then tap on the app, tap remove access or delete all connections, because some apps can continue accessing your account data in the background and most people don't even realize it. Now this next setting is probably the most important one in the entire video, because honestly, even if someone somehow gets your password, this feature can still stop them from logging into your account. It's called two-step verification. Basically, after entering your password, Google asks for one more verification step, like a code on your phone or a Google prompt. So without your phone, nobody can access your account. Open the Gmail app. Tap your profile icon, tap manage your Google account, go to sign in and security tab. Scroll down and tap two-step verification. Now Google will ask you to verify your password. After that, just follow the step process. You can choose Google prompt, a phone number for verification codes, or an authenticator app. Now turn on two-step verification. Once it's enabled, your account becomes much more secure. Now one more thing you should do, add recovery option, because if you ever lose your phone or forget your password, this recovery option can help you get your account back easily. Stay in the Sign In and Security tab, scroll down to Recovery Phone, add your phone number, then add a recovery email as well. Try to use an email that you actually have access to. A lot of people skip this step, and later when they lose access to their Gmail account, recovery becomes very difficult. Now let's quickly check which devices are currently logged into your Gmail account. Sometimes your account stays signed in on an old phone, laptop or someone else's device and you may not even remember it. So it's always a good idea to review your logged in devices once in a while. Open the Gmail app, tap your profile icon, tap manage your Google account, go to the security and sign in tab, scroll down to your devices, tap manage all devices. Here you'll see all the phones, tablets, laptops and other devices connected to your Google account. Now carefully check the list. If you see an old device you no longer use, a device you don't recognize or anything suspicious, then tap on that device and tap sign out. That device will immediately lose access to your Google account, and if something looks suspicious, it's a good idea to change your password as well. Most Gmail accounts are hacked through fake links and phishing emails. Hackers send emails pretending to be Google, banks, YouTube, delivery companies, and they try to scare you with messages like your account will be deleted. Never click random links. Before clicking, check the sender email carefully. Look for spelling mistakes. Avoid downloading unknown files. And remember, Google will never ask you for your password through email. So guys, these were some very important Gmail security tips that everyone should follow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.